Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today in this video we will discuss about huruf al-atf. Before we solve the exercise number 2 of lesson number 7, we will have to discuss about huruf al-atf, because this is the grammar point of this lesson. So try to understand and keep in your mind. The Arabic letters, it means huruf, those are used to connect two sentences or two words are called huruf al-atf. The part before these letters is used are called ma'tuf alay, and the part which is used after these letters are called ma'tuf. It's very simple. Let's understand with example. Number 1 is wa, meaning and. For example, صلى الإمام والمأموم. So here meaning is Imam offered salah and followers, ma'moom, followers offered salah. Imam and followers offered salah. So here wow, which is used to connect between two words, is called harfi atf, and the word which is used before this, which is imam, will be called ma'tuf alay, and the word which is used after this, which is ma'moom, will be called ma'tuf. And here one thing you should understand, that what i'rab will be given ma'tuf alay, same will be given ma'tuf. For example, it means as imam, as ma'tuf alay is treated, same ma'tuf will be treated. For example, salla al-imamu, imam offered, wal ma'mumu, and followers offer. So the i'rab or both words are same, because the condition will be the same. The condition of ma'tuf will be same as ma'tuf alay. Okay, let's go to the next letter is fa, meaning then. For example, دخل المدرس فوقف التلاميذ. Teacher entered, so or then students stood up. So here fa is harfi atf. The part of sentence دخل المدرس or al-mudarrisu will be called ma'tuf alay, which is used before this letter, and waqaf al-talamizu will be called ma'tuf because it is mentioned after this letter. Okay, and one thing more about fa, which gives the meaning of then, and one more word is thumma, which gives the meaning of then. But difference between fa and thumma is that two action happen or occur without, when two action occur and happen without any gap and delay, then we will use fa. For example, teacher entered, just after entering teacher, students stood up. These types of condition we will use for. But when we want to say that one action occurred and after some days, some years, some month or some time without with delay and with gap, then we will use summa. For example, مات الرشيد ثم المأمون. Rashid, Harun Rashid, which is caliph of Caliphate of Abbasiya, and Ma'mun is his son. So Rashid died, Harun Rashid died, then Ma'mun Rashid died. Yani with gap, with delay, Ma'mun Rashid died after years, after many years. Ma'mun Rashid died of the date Harun Rashid. So when we want to say that two actions happen, occur with gap and delay at these types of condition, and in these types of condition we will use summa. Okay, number 3 is aw, meaning or. For example, نقل الخبر علي أو فريد. Ali or Farid forwarded the news. And second example, تزوج هندا أو أختها. Marry with Hinda or with her sister. So, aw is used sometime to show the doubt between two things, as given in the first example. نقل الخبر, khabar forwarded Aliyun by Ali or Farid or Farid or Farid. किसने खबर नकल की है, इसमें डाउट है, तो यहाँ हमने औ का इस्तेमाल किया. इन सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, तज़व्वज हिंदन औ उख्तहा, मेरी हिंदा और with her sister. So here O is used to show option between two person or two thing. Here two person. So sometime O is used to show doubt between two person or thing, and sometime to show the option between two thing or two person. Summa, we have discussed about it. Let's go to the number 5, imma. Imma gives the meaning of either. For example, اقرأ إما القرآن وإما الحديث. Read either Quran or Hadith. Imma always will be used two times. Okay? As either or, imma also will be used two times. اقرأ إما القرآن, read either Quran wa imma al-Hadith or Hadith. Let's go to the number 6, Listen, also gives the meaning or, and also gives the meaning or. But difference between these two or is that always will be used in interrogative sentence and always will be used with a. Ad-darast, for example, ad-darast al-fiqha am nahwa. Did you study jurisprudence, fiqh, am nah or grammar? तुमने क्या पढ़ा है, फिक्र पढ़ा है या नहव पढ़ा है? So always will be used in interrogative sentence with a and will give the meaning of or. Let's go ahead. Number 7, bal, meaning rather. For example, ما جاء محمد بل بكر. ما جاء محمد بل بكر. Muhammad did not come, rather Bakar. Rather, बल्कि Muhammad नहीं आया, बल्कि Bakar आया. तो ऐसे मौके पर बल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Let's go to the next. Lakin, not lakinna. Lakinna is another word. Here, this is lakin, and lakin also gives the meaning of but. Okay. For example, la uhibbul kusala, lakin al mujtahidina. Okay, I don't like lazy people, kusala, lazy people, but al mujtahideen, but hard workers. So here lakin is used as huruful atf, as conjunction. And what i'rab will be of ma'tuf alay? Same will be the ma'tuf. Here kusala is maf'ul bihi, lakin harf atf. Al-mujtahideen ma'tuf, ma'tuf harf atf, ma'tuf alay harf atf, and ma'tuf after joining this will be maf'ul bihi of hibbu. Let's go ahead. 9 number hatta. Listen one thing, that hatta is used as harf jar also. When hatta will give the meaning of until or till, then it will be called harf jar. But when hatta will give the meaning even or including, at that time hatta will be considered harf atf. For example, akaltu as-samaka hatta ar-ra'sa. I ate the fish, मैंने मछली खाई, hatta ar-ra'sa, even the head. Okay, including the head. For example, yamut, another example, yamutun nasu, people dies, people die, hatta al-anbiya, until, sorry, even and including anbiya, prophets. So hatta is used here as a harf atf. That's why what i'rab is as-sabaka, which is ma'tuf alayh, is same i'rab ar-ra'sa, which is ma'tuf. Okay, last one is la. You know, la is used differently in various ways, but when la is used as a harf atf, it negates will come to negate the thing or person mentioned after it, which will be the same mentioned before it. Will come to negate the thing or person mentioned after it, will be the same mentioned before it. जो उसके बाद आया है, जिसको निगेट करने के लिए वो आया है, जो उसके बाद है, वो सेम चीज़ है या सेम टाइप की चीज़ है और पर्सन है जो उससे पहले मेंशन हुआ. फॉर एग्जांपल, जा बकरुन, बकर आया, ला खालिद, खालिद नहीं आया. बकर केम, नॉट खालिद. जा बकरुन ला खालिद, बकर केम, नॉट खालिद. सो हेयर Bakar is ma'tuf alay, la harf atf, Khalidun ma'tuf. So the i'rab of Khalidun, which is ma'tuf, will be the same as Bakar, because Bakar is ma'tuf alay and Khalid is ma'tuf. So these are the letters conjunctions. These are the letters which are used as a conjunction, as a huruful atf. And one thing more I want to say, waw is also used as a harf jar, but at that time waw gives the meaning of oath, qasam, wallahi. When waw is used for oath, for as a harf jar, then the meaning of wa will not be an, will be by, by God. So one, but here these all these words are used as I make try to, make you made you understand with examples. Hope you understood. So copy these letters with example in your notebook and try to learn, try to understand. That's it for today. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.